What's going on, guys? Riley's Moto Garage back here, and today we're working on the Bandit. We're gonna get these forks off. I already grabbed it off the lift and jacked it up so we can get those off. While it was sitting here for a week, it does have an oil leak on the right side. So that is something I'm gonna have to look into later on and maybe follow the trail after spraying it down and see where fresh oil is coming out of. But these forks, we got seals here, part number for you guys. So we'll get these off, and tomorrow morning I'll take these to my job, tear them down, get them cleaned up, get the new seals in them, bleed them out with oil, put the correct amount of oil in them, and we'll come back and get them back on the bike. I won't be able to take any videos because my boss doesn't allow it, but I can take some photos of them fully disassembled and after they're clean, maybe some before they're clean. I don't know what I'll be able to get, but I'll get those done tomorrow, and we should be able to get them back on by tomorrow afternoon. But yeah, so I just wanted to make a quick little video here, and I'll pick up the camera once they're off and we'll see how they look. So, see you in a few minutes. Alright guys, as you guys seen in the time lapse, I got the forks off. They're super simple, super easy. And probably zip these guys back in real quick so I don't lose those guys. Alright, so those guys aren't going anywhere. Headlight sitting here. It does have these bracket things here that go inside of the fork tube, so can't forget to put those on before we put these guys back on. So I did want to take a quick gander and have a quick look at these guys and show you guys what you're looking for in suspension. So as you can see, let me pull it up here in the light for you guys. As you can see, there's a bunch of pitting all over. Now the triple tree clamps here, so the fork isn't going to compress any farther than here. So all the pits and rust here, up here, does not matter. That will not affect our seal. But these guys down here, got some here, here. Let's see, they're all over. I'm gonna have to polish those out the best I can without buying a new tube, so that when it compresses, it doesn't scrape my seal and leak oil. These don't look too bad. They don't look cracked or anything. They're just old leaky seals. So same with this guy. Get it up here without hurting too much. Same thing, got some small pits under the clamp. Yeah, you got one there. They're all over. You got some big ones here. You might be able to see those guys if I can. Yeah, right there's one. So I'll get some better photos once those are cleaned up, just so you guys can see how dirty these things are. Look at all that oil that is drained out of there. can still hear some oil in there, so all of it hasn't leaked out. But getting a spam call. Hold on. Alright, so yeah, same with these ones, leaking down the back side. So yeah, I'll take those with me to work tomorrow, and I'll show you guys some photos, and we'll be back at this tomorrow afternoon. See you guys then. What's going on, guys? Like I said, we're back at it. It's next morning, and I took the forks into work and got them all cleaned up. Let's pull these guys up here. And as you can tell from earlier in the video, that these guys were all pitted up all over. You can still see, like right there, the pits are still there, but they're all polished down. They're very smooth. The few that were down here, there was actually quite a bit more than I thought. So these are definitely going to need some new tubes in the future. But got the lowers all cleaned up. They don't have any more brake fluid all over them. Preload set to the middle on both of them. So I'm going to get you guys set up for the time lapse, and we're going to get these guys back on. Alright guys, and now we are right back where we left off at the beginning of this video. It's a roller. It's leaking oil still. Don't mind that. Not worried about that right now. But these forks look so much better. And they feel good. But yeah, so I think this is where I'm going to leave out today. I will throw in the photos of me disassembling these and stuff. But yeah, so hope you guys are enjoying. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Catch y'all in the next one.